Wake up, mate, wake up. We're talking about Prov Tax.
I'm struggling. I'm struggling.
It's nearly that time again. August the 28th is coming up pretty soon, a month away, nearly.
Yeah, the punters might think we're desperate for content at 3 o'clock on a Friday to be talking about tax.
Yeah, I doubt we'll get any viewers.
Mate, got some sellotape to keep the eyes bloody wide open. Anyway.
But it's a fundamental of being in business, right? And it's important to stay on top of.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, and it creeps up.
It does.
And the amount of times that we see people either not aware of the dates or no idea of how much they actually need to pay, or whether what they're paying is the right amount is really surprising, eh?
Yeah, and all the classic, I got told a week before I had to pay it and I've got all this tax to pay. So two problems there: communication between the advisor and the business, and then also educating the business owner that these are the dates, let's remember them and let's get them in the calendar nice and early. So we've taken the...
As well as an indication of how much to plan for as well.
Yeah. And as we know, provisional tax is usually based on historical profit figures, right?
Yep.
But that's not how we like to do it.
No, mate.
What's the difference?
Xero is just a fantastic tool. So you've got the ability to be able to, or MYOB, whatever your system is that you use, you've got the data, so use it. If you're tracking ahead or behind, use that and make sure you're paying the right amount of tax. And the beauty is that IRD and all their wisdom have come up with that new method, the AIMS method. Yeah, so to help tie in your tax payments with the highs and lows of cash. So either way, irrespective of what method you're using, make sure that you're paying the right amount of tax and then you don't get caught out with a nasty surprise at the end of the year once your accountant gives you your tax return.
Yeah, there's two things business owners hate in business, right? One's tax surprises, and B, the other's talking to accountants. Or lawyers, is it? I'm not sure.
Yeah, maybe that's a yarn for another day.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. We should actually get a lawyer in just to give them the right of reply.
Yeah,
that would make for an interesting yarn.
Definitely. All right, nice and simple. If anyone's struggling with provisional tax, doesn't understand it, or a bit worried about what they're going to end up having to pay in a month's time, then feel free to sing out. We can usually cast these two brains over and figure it out pretty quickly, eh? So
yeah, absolutely. And then one short thing, another quick win is if you're struggling on the tax front from a cash flow point of view, don't forget that there's tax pooling intermediaries, so the likes of tax traders, check them out online, or TMNZ. They're absolutely fantastic, got some good solutions if you're not in a position to be able to make a payment. If you're stuck, get in touch.
Yep, just on that, if you don't know what that is, basically it's an intermediary that sits in the middle between you, the business owner / the taxpayer, and the IRD to make it look like you've paid the tax on the correct date, so you don't get any more late filing fees, etc.
Yeah.
Gee, we could work there.
We could, mate. Maybe we could push out some more info on that on a separate one. Eh?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, we'll chuck something on the website.
Don't know about it. It can save business owners a lot of money, so we're all for helping clients win and non-clients as well. So
yeah, absolutely.
Right, Friday, let's do it.
Time for a beer.
Yeah, good. Have a
Alrighty.
good weekend, guys.
See
Take it
ya.
easy.